Have you ever wondered about the hidden consequences lurking behind the alluring facade of pornography? If so, you're about to embark on a journey of enlightenment. Pornography, often seen as a harmless pleasure or a casual pastime, carries with it a plethora of detrimental effects that often go unnoticed. The impacts are not just personal. They seep into the very fabric of our society, influencing relationships, mental health, and even the economy. Firstly, consider the psychological impact. Regular consumption of pornography can lead to addiction. Yes, you heard it right. Addiction. The brain starts craving the dopamine rush associated with viewing explicit content, much like it does with substances such as drugs or alcohol. This can lead to a vicious cycle, where one seeks out more explicit and diverse content to satisfy the ever-growing craving. The impacts extend further to distort perceptions of intimacy and relationships. Pornographic content often portrays unrealistic standards and scenarios, which can warp viewers' expectations of real-life relationships. This can result in dissatisfaction, increased pressure, and potential harm within relationships. Moreover, pornography can lead to mental health issues. Studies have linked it to anxiety, depression, and lower self-esteem. It can also foster negative self-perceptions related to body image and sexual performance. Let's not forget the societal implications. The porn industry is notorious for exploiting vulnerable individuals. It's a harsh truth that the industry often thrives on the suffering of others. This exploitation can lead to a desensitized view of consent and human rights, perpetuating a culture of objectification and abuse. Furthermore, the economic impact is not as fruitful as one might think. While the industry itself is lucrative, the hidden costs are enormous. These include the cost of mental health treatment for addiction and related issues, the societal cost of broken relationships and families, and the cost of combating the exploitation and trafficking linked to the industry. In short, the negative effects of pornography are far-reaching. It can lead to addiction, distorted perceptions of intimacy, mental health issues, societal harm, and economic costs. It's a classic case of a wolf in sheep's clothing, alluring on the outside but harmful within. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for that incognito tab, remember, the momentary pleasure might not be worth the long-term harm. The choice, as always, is yours to make.